Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I was at Walmart buying my favorite, one of my favorite beverages, which is Diet Cran Grape, which I can only get at Walmart, which is why I go there. Pretty much that's the only thing I go there for, because I'm not a big fan of Walmart anyway. But I happened to be walking through their camping section, and I saw Duraflame Firestarter cubes. These were $3.97. So with tax, rounded up, so I'd say about $4.50. So that makes them about a quarter a pop, and they look like this. They look just like a Zip Firestarter, which I actually do have one. Of course, Murphy's Law, it's not just laying right where I put it, it has to be. So, Zip Firestarter, and here's the Duraflame. They look pretty comparable. The Zip Firestarter is actually thicker, but I thought I'd do a burn test and see how long one of these suckers will go for. So, that'd be a nice addition to your fire kit. So it's extra firepower to start wood or charcoal, instant lighting, just light the wrapper, waterproof, individually wrapped, portable, compact size, burns 10 minutes with tall flames, great for camping, hunting, backpacking, beach fires, fire pits, and more. Danger, combustible, harmful, or fatal if swallowed, so no snack. So I thought I'd give it a try and see how long it would burn. Because why not? Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so I got the stopwatch on my phone queued up. So let's get the sucker on the ground and get a flame on it. I got my big lighter. Alright, naturally the screen's got a timeout on me. Thanks, jerk phone. There we go. So, there we go. And we're off. No, I'm not going to run the camera for 10 minutes, but it's been burning along pretty nicely. It's at 5 minutes, 25 seconds. It's been chugging along pretty nice, actually. I just happened to see him at the store, so, you know, naturally because it's related to fire, I just had to get him. One thing I will comment, though, it stinks. For a moment there, I was like, woof. So, alright, let's check in. 9 minutes. I'm impressed by how big the flames are still after 9 minutes. Looks like they spoke true about the 10-minute burn time. Almost 9.5 minutes now. 9:30. Still going strong. Not too shabby. Well, 11 minutes and still going strong. I'm gonna say I'm pretty impressed. I mean, yeah, you can use cotton balls and Vaseline, and there are other products in the market, but you know, why not have more tools for your toolbox? Keep a little few that, you know, since they're waterproof and they're individually wrapped, you could keep a small fire kit in your car. Just throw 3 or 4 of them in whatever, along with a lighter and a ferro rod. And you got, you know, now, you know, almost 12 minutes of burn time on one little cube. I should see if I can boil a cup of water with just one of these. I have a canteen cup stove. I might do a little boil test. Almost 12 minutes. Yep, just hit 12 minutes and it's still got a flame. That's pretty nice. I like fire. Well, there's still a little bit of a flame. It looks like it's finally starting to peter out at 13 minutes. There's still flame coming off of it though. It's far exceeded the 10 minutes. So I like it. So what, 13 and a half minutes for a quarter. I hope you can see that. Nice. Gonna have to try making fire with these now. I might do the canteen cup boil next, just because that's Duraflame Firestarter cubes, like $4 at Walmart. That's not too bad. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next